Want to upgrade your PC with fans that don't just keep things cool, but also light up your setup with stunning ARGB effects? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best ARGB PC case fans that deliver both performance and style. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Darkrock F120 ARGB PC case fan. The Darkrock F120 ARGB PC case fan is designed to deliver both performance and aesthetics, making it a versatile choice for enhancing any PC build. Featuring a unique infinity mirror design, the fan creates mesmerizing visual effects from the center and edges, producing a multi-layered lighting experience that elevates the overall look of your setup. Equipped with ARGB lighting on both the fan blades and frame, it adds vibrant illumination that can be customized to match your build style. The adjustable lighting effect ensures that your system doesn't just perform well, but also stands out with stunning visuals. Performance is equally impressive, as the fan includes 9 blades engineered for efficient airflow. With PWM control, the fan speed can be dynamically adjusted between 800 and 1600 RPM plus/minus 10%, providing the flexibility to balance cooling performance with energy efficiency. This makes it suitable for a variety of workloads, from everyday use to heavy gaming or content creation. Noise reduction is another key feature of the Darkrock F120. Its hydraulic bearing system, combined with 8 anti-vibration rubber pads, ensures quiet and stable operation while extending durability. This allows you to enjoy powerful cooling without the distraction of excessive noise. With its standard 120mm size, the fan is compatible with most PC chassis, air coolers, and water cooling systems, making it easy to integrate into different builds. Whether you're upgrading an existing system or assembling a new rig, the Darkrock F120 ARGB offers an ideal balance of cooling efficiency, low noise operation, and striking visual appeal. Coming in at number 4, the Thermalright X3 ARGB PC case fan. The Thermalright X3 ARG PC case fan is designed to deliver both cooling efficiency and aesthetic appeal, making it a versatile choice for modern PC builds. With its 120mm size and intelligent 4-pin PWM control, the fan adjusts speed automatically based on motherboard temperature, reaching up to 1500 RPM when extra cooling is required. Its extended 55cm cable makes it convenient for daisy-chaining multiple fans, ensuring seamless airflow management across cases and CPU coolers. Durability is enhanced through the use of high-quality SFDB bearings, which minimizes vibration and fan blade wobble. This not only reduces operational noise, but also extends the overall lifespan of the fan, ensuring consistent performance over time. Despite its powerful airflow of 66.17 CFM and strong static pressure of 1.53 mm H2O, the fan maintains a noise level of 25.6 dBA, offering a balance between cooling efficiency and silent operation. A key highlight of the Thermalright X3 RGB is its lighting performance. Equipped with high-brightness atomizing ARGB fan blades, the lighting appears soft and evenly diffused, enhancing the visual appeal of the build. With support for up to 17 lighting modes, users can synchronize colors and effects with their motherboard software, creating a unified and customizable aesthetic for their PC setup. The Thermalright X3 ARG strikes a balance between performance, longevity, and style. Combining advanced cooling technology with immersive lighting, it is a practical addition for users looking to keep their systems both cool and visually striking. At number 3, we have the Corsair RS120 ARGB PC case fan. The Corsair RS120 ARGB PC case fan is designed to elevate both the aesthetics and performance of modern gaming and workstation setups. Featuring a reverse rotor design, it ensures that the vibrant RGB lighting remains fully visible, even when mounted as an intake fan, allowing builders to showcase flawless illumination from any angle. Each fan is equipped with 8 individually addressable LEDs, offering brilliant and customizable ARGB effects that can be synchronized with your motherboard's built-in lighting control for seamless integration into your build. Available in both black and white, the RS120 ARGB gives builders the flexibility to match their fan choice with the overall color scheme of their PC. Beyond style, this fan is engineered for reliable cooling performance. With PWM control, speeds can be finely tuned up to 2100 RPM, delivering airflow of up to 65.8 CFM. This allows for quiet operation during light workloads and powerful cooling when your system is under heavy demand. In addition to airflow, the fan is optimized for high static pressure, reaching up to 2.81 millimeters H2O. This makes it especially effective when paired with radiators or cases with tight airflow restrictions, ensuring heat is pushed out efficiently. Combining cutting-edge lighting effects with powerful cooling technology, the Corsair RS120 ARGB PC case fan is a versatile choice for users who demand both visual flair and reliable performance from their systems. Next up at number 2 is the Asus TUF ARGB PC case fan. The Asus TUF RGB PC case fan is engineered to deliver powerful cooling performance while maintaining quiet operation, making it a strong addition to any gaming or workstation build. Designed with class-leading airflow, it ensures efficient heat dissipation, keeping system components stable even during demanding workloads. Its advanced fluid dynamic bearing extends the fan's operational life to an impressive 250,000 hours, offering durability and reliability for long-term use. One of its standout features is PWM control, which provides an ultra-wide RPM range. This allows users to fine-tune cooling based on system demands, whether it's for intense gaming, heavy multitasking, or energy-efficient idle operation. Complementing its performance, the fan is equipped with anti-vibration pads that minimize noise by dampening rattling and vibrations, ensuring smooth and quiet operation inside the case. In terms of aesthetics, the Asus TUF ARGB PC case fan shines with a double-layer LED array that enhances color saturation and creates striking lighting effects. Unlike standard RGB solutions, this design delivers deeper, more vibrant illumination, elevating the look of any build. To further simplify customization, the fan comes bundled with an ARGB hub that supports connections for up to 4 fans. It also includes onboard lighting controls and is fully compatible with Asus AuraSync, enabling seamless synchronization across multiple components for a cohesive lighting setup. Combining efficient cooling, low noise, and advanced lighting, the Asus TUF RGB PC case fan provides both performance and style, making it an ideal choice for users who want reliable airflow alongside visually dynamic customization. Finally, at number 1, we have the Thermaltake Swafan EX RGB PC case fan. The Thermaltake Swafan EX RGB PC case fan is built to deliver both innovation and performance for PC enthusiasts. Designed with a swappable fan blade system, it offers flexibility in airflow direction without needing to purchase additional fans. This feature makes it easy to adapt cooling setups for different configurations, whether prioritizing intake or exhaust. One of the standout aspects of the Swafan EX is its neodymium magnetic connection. This advanced system allows users to link multiple fans together seamlessly, requiring only a single cable for power and control. The result is a much cleaner and more efficient cable management process, ensuring both aesthetics and convenience inside the case. In terms of performance, the fan supports speeds of up to 2000 RPM, delivering airflow of up to 57 CFM. This ensures reliable cooling for demanding workloads, gaming sessions, and high-performance builds. Its PWM functionality also provides precise control over fan speeds, balancing cooling efficiency with noise levels. For those who value style alongside performance, the Swafan EX comes equipped with RGB lighting. The customizable lighting effects can be synchronized through motherboard software, allowing users to create a personalized look that matches the overall theme of their system. Each package includes 3 120mm PWM fans, 3 reversible blades, 3 magnetic cables, and essential accessories. This all-in-one setup gives builders the tools they need for both performance optimization and creative customization. With its unique design and advanced connectivity, the Thermaltake Swafan ARGB PC case fan combines cooling power, ease of use, and stunning visuals into one versatile package, making it an excellent choice for modern PC builds.